फक्त इंग्लीश प्रायमरी स्तराचेर सुरवात केली म्हणून त्या भुरग्यांक इंग्लीश स्किल मेळटली अशी जायनात. आमी जर तर खंयची भाशा पयलीं पासून आशिल्ली तेन्ना आमी तर भाशा कोंकणी धर, मराठी धर, इंग्लीश धर, ह्यो भाशा आमी तर सारक्यो शिकयल्ल्यो भुरग्यांक. सारक्यो म्हणल्यार भाशा शिकोवपाचें एक कला आसता. आमी भाशा तर आमी हिस्ट्री भशेन शिकयली, आमी भाशा तर पॉलिटिकल सायन्सी भशेन शिकयली. कळ्ळें कितें म्हणटा? कित्याक पॉलिटिकल सायन्स आनी हिस्ट्री आमी कंटेंटा खातीर शिकयतात. कंटेंट खंय कितें जालें, खंय केन्ना जालें, कोणी कितें केलें, त्या भशेन जर आमी जर भाशा शिकयली आनी भाशा जर आमी सारकी शिकयली ना ते भुरगे चड विकच उरतले. आनी 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 पळय, आनी पयलीं तुवें पळयलें तर म्हळ्यार जे प्रादेशीक भाशेन पळय शिकल्यात ते इंग्लीश चड बरें उलयतात. बिकॉज ते विचार करपाक शकतात. फायनली उलोवप हें पयलीं विचार येता, मागीर उलोवप.
नो, बट ही इज सेइंग दॅट देयर स्टुडंट्स वर गेटिंग कन्फ्युज्ड.
I know.
So that is
then some were labeled as slow learners. Some were labeled as LD having learning disabilities. Actually, they're smart boys.
Is it because of language? Is it because of medium?
On that tested, one of the things that tested on that. No?
Is it because of medium?
No, one of the tests is language. When you write it wrongly, when you understand.
Father, एक गजाल म्हाका सांगात की what I am also observing. I am in the media. I come across so many people whom I interview. Okay, yes. Maybe in last 4-5 years I might have interviewed something like even more than 100 candidates. Yeah. There are people who have studied in Konkani medium, Marathi medium, English medium. तांकां खंयचीच भाशा सारकी येना. Not a single language. Okay, कोंकणी सारकी उलोवपाक येना, म्हणजे बरोवपाक येना, मराठी सारकी मराठी शिकले जाल्यार बरोवपाक येना, इंग्लिशी सारकी बरोवपाक येना वा उलोवपाक येना. अशे तरेचो प्रॉब्लेम आहा. बरोवपाक लागले जाल्यार SMS लँग्वेजी भितर बरोवपाची स्टायल तयार जाल्ली आसा. These are the issues today. Okay, that's why I'm saying that the MOI issue is over. आता लँग्वेज स्किल आमचे वाडोवपा खातीर आमी कितें करतले? आर वी गोइंग टू सिट आयडल सेयिंग दॅट चल इंग्लीश मिडियम जालें आतां भुरग्यांची इंग्लीश सुदारतली, ऑर वी नीड टू कॉन्सन्ट्रेट, ऑर डू यू एग्री दॅट आमची खंयचीच लँग्वेज सारकी ना? एटलीस्ट यू एग्री विथ दॅट?
So language is parent choice. This has come.
No, medium is parent choice. I'm talking about language as a subject.
Yeah. Language subject now is improving. Definitely, we're having seminars. You go to any of these small zones, everybody having seminars for their own teachers, how to really teach English. So that is coming about. It is just now 2 months old. Early June.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that.
एक साइड कॉमेंट असो. फादरान म्हणलें लँग्वेज इज पेरंट चॉयस, रायट. तेच फोर्सान हांव म्हणटा ग्रांट्स कोणा दिवप इज एक्चुअली गव्हर्नमेंट चॉयस. पूण हे आमी मानून करून घेनात, आमी गव्हर्नमेंट फोर्स करतात. सो
दॅट इज नॉट द इश्यू. हांव एकूच गजाल सांगता. लायक आय स्टडीड पर्सनली इन मराठी मिडियम अप टू SSC. Okay, up to SSC I am a Marathi medium student. I was not allowed to speak Konkani in this school. I was punished. And every day I was getting punished. Konkani उलयतालो. Okay. Now in English medium schools, you are not allowed to speak Konkani. You are punished. कळ्ळें न्ही? कोण 25 पैसे फायन घालता, कोण आनी कितें फायन घालता, असली तरेची करता. आनी उलय म्हणून सांगतात. उलोवपांतल्यान इंग्लीश सुदारता वा उलोवपांतल्यान खंयची भाशा सुदारता काय सद्याक अशी परिस्थिती जाल्या की आमी ज्या स्टायलीन उलयतात तातूंतल्यान आमची लँग्वेज पेड्डर जावपाक लागल्या. What is it exactly? I am on language. Now since MOI issue is over, conversationatlan language sudarta.
It's first listening to good
conversational sudarta.
First is listening.
Conversational sudarta.
Because parents are told to me घरा कडेन भुरग्या कडेन इंग्लिशीन उलयात. Parents don't know English. They try to speak Konglish. And when they speak Konglish, and भायरी बी आमी Konglish उलयतात फ्रेंड सर्कलां भितर, you know what happened today आनी कितें असली तरेच्या हातूंतल्यान सगळी ते उलयतात. ओके, आय वेंट आउट अँड आउट असली तरेची उलयतात. सो ही आउट अँड आउट जी भाशा जाल्या त्या सगळ्या भाशेच्या हातूंतल्यान आमची इंग्लीश सुदारतली काय आमची इंग्लीश फाटी पडटली?
तर त्या खातीर हांव पयलीं साकून सांगता संदेश की हो इशू पळय आशिल्लो आमचो, हो लँग्वेज इशू न्ही, इट वॉज ए ग्रांट्स इशू. एनीवे तातूंत आमी आतां वचप नाका.
नो, आय एम नॉट ऑन दॅट. आय एम बेजिकली ऑन दी कन्सर्न ऑफ ऑल दी पेरंट्स, सिन्सियर कन्सर्न ऑफ दी पेरंट. म्हज्या भुरग्याची इंग्लीश सुदारपाक जाय. दॅट वॉज दी सिन्सियर कन्सर्न ऑफ एवरीबडी.
Then we require good English teachers and good schools, and we require good Konkani teachers and good schools.
No, that is what I'm asking.
Yeah, so government has taken a good step.
And there's a dearth of teachers.
One B.Ed teacher for every primary school, only to really stress more of English, because many of our teachers now for so many years are used to teaching in Konkani, and therefore all our schools, as 1 to 10 to 7 schools, are taking special effort to train our teachers to teach in English. It's taking, I'm saying give it time. Give it time.
Okay.
I'm sure you'll see a lot of changes coming about it. If people has willed it, we have to be passionate about it. We education, whatever language it is, whatever language the government has given us, we are all out for it. And we'll take all the particular steps.
Whatever language we have grabbed from the government. Government has not given us. We have fought for it. Now we have grabbed it.
Not grabbed
we have grabbed it at a bullet point.
It's after so many years they've seen.
No, it's like that. Yeah.
After so many years they've seen it's not helping them.
Correct.
Let's try something else.
I know.
And that is why they've asked for it. It's a parent's choice. They've asked for it. They've got it.
No, that's fine, Father. That's absolutely fine.
पोस्ट एमओचे उलयता म्हणून सांगता आय एम नॉट टॉकिंग ऑन प्री एमओआय आतां 127 इश्कोलांक इंग्लीश मिडियमाक सरकारान ग्रांट दिलो आनी सरकार म्हणटा नवी इंग्लीश इश्कोलां आमी मान्यताय दिवपाक ना हे कायद्या प्रमाण चुकीचें कित्याक इश्कोलां कोणाच्यान इश्कोल सुरू करपा जाता इंग्लिशेन बसून सरकाराच्यान आडोवपाक जायना सरकाराच्यान एक पॉलिसी करपा जाता म्हळ्यार इन वॉट वे schools can be opened, not in what way schools cannot be opened. There cannot be blanket ban. Secondly, सरकार म्हणटा नवी इंग्लीश इश्कोला आयली जाल्यार आमी ते आनी प्रायमरी इश्कोलांक इंग्लीश इश्कोलांक आमी ग्रांट दिवपा ना म्हण हेंय चुकीचें बिकॉज सरकार कॅनॉट पिक अँड चूज 127 schools.
What do you feel
दिवपाक
about
जाय सरकारान. They cannot pick and choose.
What do you feel about this?
What is the meaning of picking and choosing?
Yeah,
127 शिकलां दितात बाकीच्या दिवपाना can government pick and choose?
तुमच्या स्कुलांतल्या भुरग्यांक जस्टिस मेळ्ळो बाकीच्या भुरग्यांक मेळचो अशें दिसना तुमकां?
We have always stood for democratic right. All those who want should get it. That was our basic kind of the parents' choice.
Correct.
We have not fought for one type of community. We have never fought things on minority. We have always fought for everybody, secular.
So
all parents who want should get it. That was our constant kind of fight.
Correct.
Now, if the government has come to this policy,
the government has made a mistake, Father.
I'm sure the government will move forward.
Has the government made a mistake now in doing this?
So give it time.
Is it not partiality? Is it not a biased decision? When the government says only 127 schools, who gives power to the government to pick 127? Why not more?
I feel give government.
What do you feel? Government has made a mistake.
Government cannot pick and choose. It's a legal mistake.
No, give it time to the government.
Legal mistake. Can the
government has made a mistake by doing that?
No, I think it's a process. Anything cannot. You can't build Rome in a day.
Correct.
It takes time. For anything, for a policy to take place, it's a process.
But why pick only 127 and these 127? Government could have announced. Apply karat. Why do you pick 127?
It's very clear the cabinet
is it not? It is not misuse of discretion
already. You can't create stress in the children.
But it is not. Is it not misuse of discretion?
No. 1 full year they've been teaching English.
Correct.
Now to go back again to Konkan, it's going to be a stress for it, and that is exactly the reason the cabinet has given that this 127 not to create further stress.
That is fine, Father. Yeah. That's fine. I'm just asking you.
It's a process. Give it some more time to the government.
I'm not worried about it. I'm saying government decision is misuse of discretion.
1 minute. Time is good. I'm just asking you one thing. That do you feel bad for the students who have been deprived from studying English?
Ultimately, I feel everybody must get a chance. Everybody must get this right because education, grants are never connected to mother tongue. It's always connected to the choice that you have. That's a highly constitutional, highly democratic. But what I say, the government has just come in. They've started this process, and I'm sure they will come to a better solution as they go.
And the better solution is that nobody should be deprived.
That is democratic, na?
Okay. What can
that is constitutional.
My time is good.
What is it?
What is the better solution? Now government is not at finalized.
No, government and here solution में दिला. It is a political solution.
That's fine. What is the better solution?
Better solution in the interest of education is we should have good schools and which we don't have. That's what I want to say. And we should have good teachers. The main problem is that. I would repeat that again.
Do you feel that good schools and better schools should be there now? Good means
See, Goa is growing now horizontally. I think we need to grow vertically. We have to get quality education. Start too many schools with just ordinary education is not going to work. I think few schools, if we can have cluster of schools working together, we don't duplicate work. Okay. Now within a kilometer, you have one more school. This school is actually affected. Can we have another type of schools?
I am not saying more schools. I am saying good schools.
Yeah, so I'm saying we have to concentrate vertical.
We have to
concentrate upgradation of quality of education.
But sometimes good schools.
That's something we have to grow vertically now.
So
quality wise.
That is the real challenge.
That's a challenge to us.
That's a real challenge. Thank you very much. हांगा हे डिस्कशन आनी वाडपा शकता आशिल्लें आनी वाडटलेंच कारण हो इश्यू आमचो केन्नाच सोंपना डिस्कशन करून तरी ह्या गजालीचेर उलयतना एक गजालीचेर आमी हळूहळू करून कंक्लूड जायत आयले ते म्हणजे क्वॉलिटी ऑफ एज्युकेशन वाडोवपाची गरज आसा, भाशेचें स्कील वाडोवपाची गरज आसा, भाशा आनीक चड बरे तरेन शिकोवपाची गरज आसा. आनी त्याच बरोबर फादरान सांगलां तें एक सोल्युशन की कोणाक डिप्रायव करचो न्ही. जाल्यार हांगा तिबले बाबान सांगलां की ताजे परस चड म्हणटा तें क्वॉलिटी एज्युकेशन दिवपाचेर चड भर दिवचो. तुमी दोगी जाण आमच्या स्टुडिओ भितर आयले आनी तुमचे विचार मांडले म्हणून तुमचे आमी उपकारी. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया ब्रेक आवर.